Hello, how are you? These are the most commonly used greetings. But the English speaking people they usually greet each other in an informal way. Stop saying how are you. Let's learn the alternate ways. There are 17 smart ways to say how are you in different situations. How do you do? This is one of the most formal way of asking how are you. How do you do? This is a greeting which is very formal and quite uncommon. How do you do? The expected answer is I am fine. And you? What's up? This is one of the informal way of asking how are you and generally used by the teenagers, and the expected answer is nothing much, or you can say I am good. How is everything? These are also one common way of asking how are you. This is we can answer good or not bad. What's new? This is one of the informal way of asking how are you. If you are interested for a small talk, then you can ask this question, what's new? How are things? This is also a general greeting. You can ask someone, especially if you have not seen the person for a long time, then you can ask how are things. The expected answer is fine. What's new with you? This is the question you can ask to the person whom you met earlier. He is known to you. In the answer, he can tell if something new is happening in his life. What's going on? In the answer, you can describe a small task or something interesting you have done or that's going in your life. How have you been? This question you can ask to the person whom you have already met and you want to know about his well-being since the last meeting you met with that person. The expected answer is, oh, I have been great. I have been feeling much better, especially when your friend is sick. After meeting him, you can ask this question. How are you feeling? Generally, this question is asked to a person who is suffering from physical illness or injury. After that, you can ask, how are you feeling? The expected answer will be, thanks for asking. Or this answer will differ actually. I have been feeling little down. How are things going? This is also a question that will be asked by the person who already knows you. The expected answer of this question is, it is going well. How long it has been? This is generally you meet that person unexpectedly. And how much is a long time? That depends on how often you normally see the person. So you could use one of these greetings, that is long time to see. Actually, you can use either of these two questions. Are you well? This is a question about your well-being. The expected answer is I am very well. What are you doing? When a person is asking about what activities you are doing right now or in the near future, like I am reading a book, like what are you doing in the evening? That is the question about the near future, and you can say that I'm thinking to go outside for dinner. Will you come with me? Are you alright? The answer will be yeah. Fine. Now the next question, that is how is it going? This is the question you can ask to your friends, especially whom you already know. Suppose you are playing with your friends, then you can ask them, how is it going? Then the expected answer, it's going good or good. So it is little bit informal way of asking how are you to your friends. How is life? The answer will be different according to your mood. If you are happy, if you are sad. But generally you can say good. Use these alternate sentences. This will make you a better speaker. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos.